Hi everybody! I just wanted to make a quick video just to explain a little bit about the temporary tattoo service that I'm now offering in conjunction with my very good friend and colleague Gemma, and I will leave her details in the description below. I know some of you may have seen a few posts, but I haven't made it very clear yet exactly what the process is or what the service is, so I thought I would pop on here and describe very quickly what the service is, tell you all the reasons why our temporary tattoo service is actually a really good idea, and then just take you through the box opening so you know exactly what you're going to get when you order a temporary tattoo pack. So here are some of the reasons why temporary tattoos are so great. Number one, if like me you've gone through the whole cancer journey and you're looking for something beautiful to cover up any scars that you might have, temporary tattoos are a fantastic way of either having a temporary nipple created so that you can test a nipple tattoo out before you actually commit to the real thing, or if you would think that you might want something a little bit more extravagant, or rose, or anything, a floral, or any design at all, you can have it created as a temporary tattoo first. You can try that, live with it for a few days, see how you feel about it, before you decide whether or not you want to commit to the real thing. Second reason a temporary tattoo might be a good idea for you is if you are planning on getting any tattoo that you've been thinking, maybe all your life you've been thinking, should I get it? I'm scared to get it, not sure. Well then, why not have it made as a temporary tattoo, and then you can fit it on your body and then see how it feels. Alternatively, you can just use temporary tattoos. You don't even need to get a permanent tattoo. Why not just have a range of temporary tattoos that you can wear whenever you like? It becomes a fashion accessory. And thirdly, this one's for kids. I'm going to be running an art workshop online with a view to children drawing some images, and then when they've drawn the images, we then create temporary tattoos and send out packs for the kids. So they'll open these little boxes, and then when they open them, they're full of tattoos that they've created themselves, and these are all temporary, they all come off with water, and then the little kids can spend the afternoon slapping these tattoos on, possibly having a temporary tattoo party. I don't know, what do we think? So anyway, I'm going to get into unwrapping this box now so that you can see exactly what's inside it. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, unwrap it. I haven't opened this, so this is the first time I've seen the finished product as well. Your tattoo box will come from InkBound. And let's have a look inside and see what you get. Oh, got your... Oh wow, this is fab. Gemma's so clever. So the beauty with these tattoos is that you can actually have anything as a temporary tattoo. So if you've come to one of my workshops and you've created a rose or a bird, you can have these created as temporary tattoos. Wear them, give them as gifts, surprise your friends. The possibilities are endless. If you've got creative children and you want to surprise them with something amazing, how about taking one of their drawings, sending it to Gemma, and then she can send you a box back full of tattoos. These look so good. Now when you get your tattoos, you've got to remember they're always going to be, they're going to be printed on the reverse, as a reverse image rather, because obviously they're going to get stuck to your skin. Look how cute that is. That is adorable. That is so cute. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's see what's what. Okay, take a look. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now this is where we take it to the next level, because any regular temporary tattoo has got this kind of crinkly, shiny look to it. Can you see that? But what we have included in this pack is some very, very special finishing serum. And this is what's going to take this tattoo and turn it from looking like a temporary tattoo to an actual tattoo. And this is how we do it. And here we go. Here's the finished product. All that shine is gone. And now it looks so, so much more like a real tattoo. That's amazing. If you were passing that on an arm, you would not know that that was not a real tattoo. Absolutely brilliant. What fun. Imagine the fun you could have with tattoos running all the way up your arm. They're only temporary, but nobody can tell. The trouble you could cause. So I hope you've enjoyed that little video. If you have any designs in mind that you would like to try as a temporary tattoo, please do get in touch with either me or Gemma. And I'm now going to show this to the family, probably do a Zoom with my mum and see if she notices. Have a good day, everyone.